Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add overlays in OBS. So let's go to the OBS first. And in the scene section, you have to right click on this and click on add and click on scene 2, click on OK. Scene 2 will be added here. In the sources section here, you have to click on this plus icon and then you will find here image. Click on image. You can change the image name here. You can rename it. Click on OK and you have to upload the image from your computer. Click on browse and choose the pictures. Any picture you can add here. Now click on OK. You can minimize, you can make this central image, make it small or big like this. Okay, you can make it, change the position of image. Now again click on this plus icon and choose text GDI, this one. Click on this text GDI and click on OK. Now you have to write here the text, like I'm writing here, welcome to Tactim. Okay, now if you want to change the font, click on select font. You can change the font from here, Arial, narrow, bold, or anything, any font you can choose. Click on OK. Then scroll down, you'll find here color. Click on select color and you can select any color you want, green, yellow, or the pink, any color you can choose. After that, you have to click on OK. Then if you want to change the position, you can do this with the mouse. If you want to reduce it size, you can reduce the size and you can change the position. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.